There are over 6 billion web pages on the internet. We don't need 6 billion pages, so how do we find what we need? We filter out the noise. What is the noise? Pages not related to what we want to know. Pages we can't understand. If we don't understand, they are not appropriate sources for our research, so we need to filter. With the right tools and strategies, we can turn this into this. The first step is to use search engines designed for people our age. This shows us appropriate for our age information. There are links to all of these in the description below. Using the commands Control or Command F searches for words we want right on the page. If I do search for anything, icebergs, quick facts on icebergs, there's a lot here. If I just want to find the biggest one, I could do like Command F, and on Chrome it shows up here. Type in size. See now, there's 3 different places where it has the word size in there. If I were to have been in Firefox, and I type Command F, in Firefox it shows up down here. So I could type in size again, and see that right there. It shows me one right here. So I can use these arrows in either one of them and flip back and forth if there are more than one instances of this actually happening. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great stuff. There's another video displaying now that goes into greater detail.